Yo, South Africa, we know how much you love a good time. You love a party, you love a celebration, and you really love a good drink. Now imagine all that fun, but on wheels. That's right, we're talking about starting your own mobile bar business, bringing the good times straight to the people. Mobile bars are like food trucks, but way more fun. They're popping up everywhere, from weddings to festivals to corporate gigs. Imagine rocking up in your own custom-designed bar on wheels, serving up delicious cocktails, ice-cold beers, and good vibes. Sound like a dream? Well, it can be your reality. This is your step-by-step guide to conquering the mobile bar scene in South Africa. We'll cover everything from permits to promotions and give you the local knowledge you need to succeed. Let's get this party started. First things first, you've got to figure out what you're serving. Are you a cocktail king or a craft beer connoisseur? Will you offer wine, spirits, or mocktails for the designated drivers? Once you know your drinks, you can choose the right vehicle. Next up is the fun part, designing your mobile bar. Think about your brand, your target market, and the image you want to project. Do you want something sleek and modern, rustic and charming, or vibrant and eclectic? This is South Africa, so don't be afraid to get creative and show off your unique style. Finally, stock up on all the equipment you'll need. Fridges, coolers, shakers, stirrers, the whole shebang. Don't forget about glassware, ice buckets, napkins, and all the little details that make a big difference. Remember, presentation is everything. Look, we know dealing with bureaucracy isn't as fun as mixing a mojito, but it's crucial for a legit business. In South Africa, you'll need a few things to keep the taxman and the authorities happy. First up, you'll need to register your business with the Companies and Intellectual Property Commission, CIPC. Then, depending on your chosen drinks, you might need a liquor license from your local municipality. Trust me, it's way easier to get the paperwork sorted up front than to face a fine later on. Don't forget about food safety. If you're serving any kind of snacks or nibbles, you'll need to comply with all the relevant food hygiene regulations. This usually means getting certified by your local health department and ensuring your mobile bar meets their standards. Safety first, people. Section 4. Show me the money costs, funding, and side budgeting. Starting a mobile bar isn't free. You'll need some cash to get the wheels turning. Think about the cost of your vehicle, equipment, stock, licenses, insurance, and marketing materials. It's better to overestimate your costs than to be caught short. Luckily, there are ways to fund your mobile bar dream. You can tap into your savings, borrow from friends and family, with a solid repayment plan of course, or explore small business loans. There are even government grants available for entrepreneurs in certain sectors. Once you're up and running, keep track of your expenses like a hawk. Use a spreadsheet, accounting software, or even just a good old-fashioned notebook. This will help you stay on top of your finances, make informed business decisions, and ensure you're actually making a profit. Section 5. It's party time marketing, your mobile oasis in Mzansi. Congratulations, your mobile bar is ready to roll. Now, you gotta let people know about it. South Africans love a good time, so marketing your mobile bar should be fun and engaging. Social media is your best friend. Create eye-catching pages on Facebook, Instagram, and even TikTok, showcasing your unique offerings and personality. Post drool-worthy photos of your cocktails, announce your upcoming locations, and run contests and giveaways to attract followers. Word of mouth is also key in South Africa. Tell everyone you know about your mobile bar, hand out business cards like confetti, and offer referral discounts to encourage people to spread the word. Remember, the more people who know about your mobile bar, the more bookings you'll get, and the more drinks you'll pour.